Today, we're tearing down a house on our property, getting rid of this bug-infested, snake-infested, probably alligator, probably the Bigfoot lives up in there. I don't know, but we're getting rid of that whole thing today. And this gentleman right here is the boss man. He's done thousands of these teardowns, and thankfully we got Jason, his tractor. Here we go. Hey, you're gonna hurt the house. Okay, so it's about 1:30. We've been out this now since 9. So, and you can just see we've tore up a lot. This is the backside, burned up a lot, but we still got a lot to do. So, having little issues, we found some water issues, some power issues that we're trying to figure out, but it's insane how much work this is, as you can just see by my complete exhaustion. Yes, the work is slow, difficult, tedious, exhausting, but we're getting it done and we're making progress. So it's just me and Gail out here today. The one guy did come today and take a load of trash out. So I'm just getting all of the stuff. We've tore off 3/4 of the front of the house and the whole back of the house. So we have to be careful to hold up that one wall so that the whole roof doesn't cave in before we can get all the trash out. And that's where we're burning the trash, right there. So it's been a hard deal, but it's gonna be worth it. That's a fire. It was actually way bigger than that just a minute ago, but by the time I got the camera out, it was out. Wow, fun times. Oh my goodness. There you go. Oh man, look at that. Okay, okay. Crazy. Please, Lord, just keep it safe. Oh, great. Now you can't get out of the way. So this is Jace. He went and got the keen idea. So we're gonna go around this entire wall right here. What? Probably not. Little by little, piece by piece. Keep coming on down. Don't ever let anybody tell you that these things aren't built well.
Yeah. I wonder what year this is.
It was an 81.
Oh.
Crazy.
That was after, before Andrew, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
It survived Andrew. Well, this is what's left. No house. That's the main frame that was underneath it. That's it. This is the pond. It's getting a little dark here, so this is the pond. There's the house. There's the house that is no longer up. You can see it. We still got a fire over there. So today, Gail and I planted all those plants, and you can't really see them, but they're all plants into the pond that aerate the pond. We got lily pads and all kinds of unique different plants, and we're just praying that they take root and they grow and cause natural aeration to the pond. While we were putting the plants in, we noticed that we thought there was no life in here, And we are now finding out that we were wrong. I saw thousands of little minnow type. It could be there. I saw tadpoles. I saw little bitty fish in here, and we realized there is a lot of life in here, a lot more than we thought. And so we're going to. I think tomorrow we're gonna go get some koi fish and some goldfish. We have the excavator back in here. We're clearing out all the rest of these like dead trees right here, but leaving some kind of foliage for a little bit of privacy on the edge. What he's doing is clearing the trees to dig all the dirt out, so we use our own dirt to make our road. So in essence today we're building a road. Just to give you a perspective of how big these trees are. Jace is about 6'3". It's just dwarfed inside of there. So something else that we're doing is expanding the entranceway so big RVs can get in here. And so what you see, we also brought a dozer, a big dozer, for earth move. I don't know what they call that. There's all kinds of stone right there for the road. And you see another little dozer right here. Just got all kinds of equipment out here this morning. And then we'll see what he's doing here with this. They're banding, they're gonna band that and put that culvert right there in that ditch. Right there. Be awesome. There you go. So this is the beginning of the fire there. He has a big grapple in the front of that, right there. Getting all these big pieces out of the way. Put them right here. Working into the night, mosquitoes are out. And my boy Robbie is still at hand, hard working here. Such a big job.